Finally, I'm back in Arizona. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions here with a super quick stock market update. So the overall NASDAQ market rose today and it's still rising after market hours. And let's go ahead and just dive right into this. So one of the first things that I want to talk about is, for those that are not aware, tomorrow there is a CPI report. For those that are not aware what that is, it's our inflation report. A lot of you guys must have heard that inflation right now is at a 40-year high. With that being said, there's a report that comes out tomorrow that will tell us, is inflation going up or is inflation going down? This is 1 hour before the market opens. There is no major report today. It's all tomorrow. We're going to have that CPI and then the core CPI. I was thinking, and I know that this video already is super delayed. I drove from California to Arizona today, so I do apologize for that. But if this video gets over 1,500 likes, once this video does, I was thinking of uploading a second video maybe later today in about 3 to 4 hours and talking about the previous CPI data report and current expectations that we have for the one that's going to be reported tomorrow. But if this video gets over 1,500 likes, I'm thinking of hosting a live session for those that want to wake up 1 hour before the market opens. I'll probably host the live stream 1 hour and 15 minutes before the market opens, but you need to get this video over to 1,500 likes. I just want to make sure that if I do go live, that enough people show up that it's worth it, right? So if you want me to host tomorrow's live stream for the CPI data report and see how the market reacts, all you literally need to do is drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those post notifications. If you have any questions, you can either comment down below or feel free to message me via Discord, and that's that first link in the description. So my main focus was I wanted you guys to be aware of the CPI data report. Regardless if I go live or not, you need to know that it will influence the overall market based off of what is reported. We absolutely killed it today with my Learn Plan Prof group, and it wasn't even just me. I reduced my position size to only 5,000 shares. I had over 20,000 shares when I was trading in and out of it, all morning. Today, there was a wedding, right? For those that follow me on Instagram, if you don't, it's the third link in the description. So I made over $26,000 day trading TQQQ today. So this is a NASDAQ ETF. We've been on this bull run. We've been playing it perfectly, not perfectly, but we've been playing it very well. I played it safe because of that CPI data report tomorrow. I didn't want to hold 10, 15, 20,000 shares overnight. Yes, the market can go up if the report comes in better than expected, but the market can also tank, right? My job is not to try to predict the future. My job is to try to prepare for it. And if I choose to take a risk, to do it in a way that I can tolerate. With 5,000 shares, I can tolerate any type of movement. Normally, and again, look at the history of the previous CPI data report days. Normally, the market can move up to 3 to 4% for the major indexes. That means that TQQQ or SQQQ can move anywhere from 10 to 12% in a given day. This has been very common when a report like a CPI data report is released. And this is why I wanted to make sure that I went live. I did this ahead of time because even if you didn't sell your position, right? If you have no intention to, I'm not here to convince you to sell, right? But even during the pre-market session tomorrow before that CPI data report comes out, if you think that your position maybe is a little bit too heavy, maybe you're stressing out, you should never be afraid to reduce your position size to, again, stay a little bit more well-balanced, that even if things do get worse, right, and the market begins to tank, then we know exactly what we can get into. You could either buy the dip by having cash available, and or you can choose to go into the inverse ETF, which is SQQQ, and this one goes up when the NASDAQ market goes down. So again, I'm very excited to follow up with another video. I was thinking of kind of like diving in a little deeper on the CPI data report based off of the previous month and what's to expect for this upcoming month. But again, I'll leave it up to you guys if you guys can get this video up to 1,500 likes. I'd love to host that live session for you and also upload a second video for today for those that care to do so. Tomorrow's going to be a very, very special day. It's a very important day, and I'm excited to share it with you guys if we host that live stream. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, you guys know how to direct message me. That's that first link down below. And my Learn Plan Profit group, you heard me talk about them in this video. They are the only group that I work with on a closer basis. I offer nothing else. If you want to be able to watch me trade live every day, if you want to work with me closer, click the second link down below, learn a little bit more about my Learn Plan Profit group, and see if it's a good fit for you. They get to watch me trade live every day, and I kept them up to date with all of my trades today, even while I was traveling. I was sharing with them when I was buying, I was sharing with them when I was selling. And again, if you think you as a complete beginner, it would be useful to have access to me, then again, I encourage you, just take 2 minutes, click the second link down below, and learn more about our Learn Plan Profit group and see if it's a good fit for you. Appreciate your time. Hope that earned a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, turn on those post notifications, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a great note. Take it easy, team.